Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Madeenasiaa. So today I'm going to be doing a mix between full glam and soft glam because my face gotta be glam, period. But my eyes is gonna be a soft glam. So yeah, just a bunch. I am going to be starting with my eyebrows because I got back into that. Now that I have both my eyebrows done, and I don't like how they came out, but whatever. I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Peak palette. Alright, I'm gonna put Thorn. Thorn is this one. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Start working that into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with, this one is Jasper, I believe it is, but that's the one I'm going with. I'm gonna cut my crease with the Louise Acid Rain Base, and then I'm going to put Aya in the crease area. Okay, now that I have my cut crease done, I'm going to put my crease color and my transition color at the edge of my crease, and then I'm going to use the shade Aya, and that's this one. Aya, I don't know, but that's what I'm using. Now I'm going to put my NYX matte liquid liner. I'm going to do me a thick wing, cat eye. I'm doing that. So yeah. I'm done with this eye. I'm going to go off camera and do this eye, my left eye, and I will be back. I forgot to turn my camera back on, and I had already moisturized and put on my primer. You see I'm sticky. I used the Saturday Skin Water Glacier Cream Balm with the Milk Hydrogrip Primer Balm. Put it together. Balm. That's what I put on my face. So now I'm about to start with the face since the eyes is done. I am going to spray my face with some Morphe Luminous setting spray. I am going to highlight underneath my foundation. I'm also going to blush underneath my foundation because I received something in the BoxyCharm and I want to try it just to see. This is the Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Original. So for blush, I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Lip and Cheek Cream Blush in the shade Double Date. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna use this. Hopefully you can see it underneath the foundation. I'm gonna touch it up anyways, but I just want to try. Oh my God. I'm going to trust the process because I'm not feeling that. I'm gonna use Espresso and the Matchsticks, the Fenty Beauty, to contour my face. What is going on with me today? Baby, this looks terrible. What is going on? What is going on? What's going on? I am going to take Mocha and Maple to highlight my face and cover up this mess because I don't know, baby. I'm gonna take Maple on the outsides of my face and Mocha on the insides. I think I overreacted. I'm not mad at it. I overreacted. I did. For my foundation, instead of going in with my tried and true, since I'm doing new shit today, this ain't really new. I've used this before. But I'm going to use my Huda Booty Faux Filt'r High Coverage Cream Foundation in the shade Mocha 500G. Yes. Basically, I'm underpainting my face except for where I did my highlight. So my contour is in my blush and my highlight, my glow, all was underpainted. So yeah. And I'm gonna just meet my foundation and my concealer on the edges and blend those together. Damn, my battery finna die. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna spray my face again with the Morphe. I forgot to tell y'all, I'm using the Kunafa powder, the Huda Booty Kunafa powder and the Huda Booty cinnamon bun powder. I use this all the time. I don't know why I had to look at it, but I'm using those to set my face today. I'm gonna use the Prime Beauty bronzer in the shade Bronzeville. For my blush and highlight, going to use the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. And I'm gonna use the shades XO and Gemini for blush and Camera for highlight. So just watch it. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm gonna use the NudeStix magnetic matte eyeliner eye color in the shade Terra. I'm gonna put the shade Shine in my tear duct, and then I'm gonna redo my cat eye. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Milk Kush Waterproof Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be using Deep Lash Cosmetics in the style Kimmy. For my lips, I'm going to go for a red lip today. I'm going to use this black eyeliner that I use for everything. I already sharpened it, sanitized it, all that good stuff. So, and it's my lip. For my reds, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored, and it's the mini one because that's the only one they had when I went to Sephora, was the mini one. So this is the one I gotta work with. And then on the top, I'm going to use the Hank & Henry Satin Cream Lipstick in the shade Ti Amo. To set my face, I'm going to use my favorite, the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. So, this is the final look. I like it, but low-key, I wish I would have did something different to my hair. It's cute, I like it, but I think it needed a different style, like, but it's cute. I ain't gonna, it's cute. It's cute together. If you like the video, like it, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share it with your friends and everybody else that you know. Tell me what you think about this video, this look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.